We've got Halloween over here. And Christmas over here. Why is it that all the holidays are like so jumbled close together? Couldn't we have put, you know, Halloween in August? Or Christmas in February? Oh wait, I guess Valentine's is in February. It's like the end of the year. It's got a lot. If you decide to come to Mexico for Day of the Dead, then make sure you get here though by, I would come early November, no, early October, because Day of the Dead is November 2nd, and after November 2nd, things start coming down and Christmas stuff starts coming up. And they don't play around. They don't leave it up. They start putting up Christmas stuff. They're big with their decorations. Look at the Santa Claus. He's huge. The snowman. This is the coolest one. I'm into the dinosaur. We'll just loose. Lots of lights. And you'll see these giant things popping up all over Mexico. And there's so many of them. Just like us, they love their inflatable blow-up things. These people haven't switched over yet. They've still got their Halloween decorations up. I mean, why not? If you're gonna put them up, why not put them up? Besides, this cat pumpkin is super cute. We're like 3 days past Dia de Muertos, and yesterday I saw everybody pulling down their chipinchayu flowers. Those are those big orange marigold flowers that represent Day of the Dead, and changing them over to poinsettias. If you didn't know, poinsettias are native to Mexico. It is a Mexican flower. So pretty much they just pull up the marigolds, and in the same hole they replace them with poinsettias. And around Christmas time or any time past November 3rd, you'll see poinsettias being sold and being put out. And it'll start to look very Christmassy. Today, we're in Mexico City.
Turn left onto Calle Nezahualcóyotl.
Some pan, a little bit of bread. Usually I go out with Drew. We've been having some problems with our door lock, so he stayed back to lock the door. And I went out by myself. Just totally safe around here.
Head south on Eje Central Lázaro Cárdenas toward Calle Nezahualcóyotl.
I think we go this way. Most dangerous thing is possibly getting hit by a car. There's a lot of traffic. And getting lost. Am I supposed to get this way? I think so. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Head east on Jose Maria Izazaga, Eje Vial 1A Sur toward Cuidad.
And subscribe for more content from Mexico. Oh yeah, there's the honey whale. I'm on the right path.